Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook peppers and onions. Begin by washing 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers, ensuring they are completely dry. Slice the onion into 1/2-inch thick strips for even cooking. For the peppers, remove the core and seeds, then cut them into strips of a similar size. This careful preparation is crucial for achieving consistent texture and flavor, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get that skillet hot over a steady medium-high flame. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil, letting it shimmer for a moment. Add your prepped onion slices, letting them cook undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This initial step allows them to soften and begin developing their sweet, aromatic notes. Stir them periodically to ensure they caramelize beautifully and evenly. Once the onions are tender and slightly translucent, it is time to introduce the colorful bell peppers to the pan. Cook these vibrant vegetables together for an additional 7 to 10 minutes, stirring them often. This allows their flavors to meld and ensures they reach a perfect tender crisp texture. Finish by seasoning with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of fresh black pepper. For that ideal tender crisp texture, try covering your skillet for the final 5 minutes of cooking. This simple step traps a little steam, helping the peppers and onions soften perfectly. Keep an eye on them, checking for your preferred level of doneness. They should be wonderfully tender, yet still possess a pleasant, slight bite, showcasing their natural sweetness. This subtle technique truly enhances the overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.